I'm just recording a video because I just finished another video about me being really pissed, realizing I'm being biohacked, and I just wanted to record Santo Remedio that I realized that that wasn't my thoughts and that those are not my energies that I'm absorbing, that it's some bullshit person wanting me to buy into that story, and sending it to me still through somebody that I've trusted and cared about and loved in the past. And so it feels like it's mine, but it's not. It's just designed to disrupt my stasis in my body, and it's designed to do a lot of things. But I did want to take note of this video because people, we don't realize that our dreams, our energy, our presence can be impacted and hacked by others, whether we give them permission to or not. But when you are in the public realm and you are a public facing figure, like I have chosen to be through my work, people will look at you and send you their nasties, and they don't know it. They don't even know it, because that's how connected we are. And the truth is, the nasties are in their unconscious, or they're in their conscious mind, or others know where they live and they know where to play with them. We are not isolated. I am not just me. You are not just you. Everything I do matters. Everything I do impacts the world around me. Not because I am some grandiose thing, but because we are all a grandiose thing. We are all divine beings with a divine connection to each other. And yeah, I just was falling into the trap of how my emotions are used against me. When I'm not looking. I have recently opened myself up to trusting my sacred family, my divine family. I'm assuming that they are here to teach me lessons like any normal family, which also means they can fuck with me. And so I'm just taking this on as lessons and grounding myself into what I know. And so the last video, I was very frustrated and angry. I still feel the anger of the things that are not right, but they're not driving my behaviors. And that's how I know I'm being biohacked, because my behaviors are very much tethered to conscious presence, and anything that is unconscious for me has either been implanted there by somebody, or I have done the work to implant it there myself. So, yeah. If you are fighting for something very valuable, very meaningful, that nobody else wants to see in the world around you, and you're feeling helpless and you're feeling like you should just exit the stage, that's what they want you to feel. That's the programming they put out there. They want to make this so complicated and unsurmountable that somehow you believe in a tiny little crumb somewhere in your brain that you would be better off gone. And that's the thought vermin that they're putting into our minds, that we are too small to make a difference. But you know what? I'm going to be that pea. I'm going to be that sliver. I'm going to be that shred of metal that gets stuck in their skin that they have to feel. So I have very much a purpose here, even if it is to be a pain in your ass. I'm here for it.